This is where we don't know a thing about our bodies. Really don't. From the lower neck right through these arms.
What seemed to me when he came back then, what I saw was that upward direction just continued absolutely
unsullied.
Unsullied, yeah.
Uh-huh.
And that's how I saw it.
All right. Now this moves this way. Now I'm going to move you this way, or you move yourself forward from your hips. Is that something different?
Yeah, it's a little confusing.
Now, what I'm going to do is the same thing. Now move forward. Watch it right there. You're just going to love to do a bit of this.
Oh, yeah.
Now come back. And this is a tricky place for all of us. It's a real sneaky little place. But if it moves up this way, I bet you that feels different.
Mm-hmm. It feels right.
See, this kept moving this way.
Yeah.
And that's what you have to watch. Right through there. All right? Then when I come here, down here, this is to help your breathing. As I move this way, you would just follow me up. I think you can turn.
You need flexibility too?
What does that do? That might have taken a crook.
A crook out, yeah. It's like inflation.
Keeps going up.
Right.
I think that's enough for a little while.
It's a lot. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.